Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, keto-friendly food. Today is my all-time favorite recipe for mashed cauliflower. Not only is it delicious and nutritious, it only takes about 5 minutes to make. This is sure to be a hit at your Thanksgiving dinner table, regardless if you're on a ketogenic or low-carb diet or not. Now for this simple recipe, we only need 3 ingredients. The first is cauliflower. It can either be rice cauliflower or fresh cauliflower florets cut into little pieces. Second is garlic. I like to buy mine pre-minced, but you can use fresh cloves of garlic as well. Last is butter. Now you could use something other than butter, for example cream, sour cream, or even milk. But I like the flavor of butter, so that's what I'm using. The first step is to heat or cook the cauliflower. Now if you're using fresh cauliflower, you'll need to cut into florets and then mince it up. So put the cauliflower in a bowl, keep it covered. I just use a plate, and we'll heat it in the microwave for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Now at this point, the cauliflower is steaming hot. Time to add the ingredients. First we have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I really like garlic, but you can use more or less to your taste. And that's it for the main ingredients. Now for seasoning. Of course, we'll need some salt. About 1 teaspoon for this recipe. Some freshly ground black pepper, about 1 teaspoon as well. And we'll give this a quick mix. The hot cauliflower will melt all that butter. Now we don't have to spend too much time mixing here, as we'll blend everything together in the next step. I just want to show you here that there is some liquid that will come out. However, depending on how runny you like your mashed potatoes, I like to keep them in for the best consistency. We then transfer the cauliflower mixture to a food processor. You could also use a blender or a wand mixer here. Anything to cream the cauliflower into that smooth consistency that we all love. We'll give it a quick blend. 3 pulses should do the trick, with some shaking in the middle to loosen up the pieces. And look at that, creamy mashed cauliflower. I don't think you could tell the difference between this and mashed potatoes. All that's left is to plate it and eat it. Now I like to add some fresh chives as a garnish, just makes it look nice. And there you have it, a creamy mashed cauliflower that tastes great, is nutritious, and works perfect as a side to your Thanksgiving dinner. You can see that creamy consistency. This tastes amazing. It tastes just like a really creamy, buttery mashed potato. You can barely tell the difference. It's also very well seasoned, so you don't really need anything else. But if you would like, you can always add gravy, or you can add some cheese on it. Sometimes I'll add bacon. Let me know in the comments below. What do you put on your mashed potatoes or mashed cauliflower? No leftovers here. Now let's look at the nutritional facts of our 3 ingredients. It mainly is the riced cauliflower. For 4 cups, it's 8 grams of net carbs. Although this recipe does make about 2 servings of the garlic mashed cauliflower. So putting it all together, we're looking at, for the 2 servings that we made, 250 calories, 22 grams of fat, 5 grams of net carbs, and 4 grams of protein. Well, that's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.